Hey everybody, this is Chris from BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I've got a really awesome rig to show you. You might be somebody that wants to take the whole family, go across country, or just get lost and go have fun camping, but maybe you've got some toys that you want to bring with you. Well, guess what? We've got an Outlaw, and you're gonna love this thing. This is a brand new 2023 38 MB. It's really cool on the outside, but wait till you see the inside. It's a lot more cooler. You're gonna dig it. Come on and take a look. So this is how you go camping with your family in style, and you bring all your toys with you. It's in an Outlaw. And look at this, you even got a great TV out here for tailgating if you want to do that. These are really, really handsome units. Look how gorgeous this front cockpit is. Really great seating for somebody here. You can have your laptop or whatever it is that you want out here. It's really comfortable for the person riding shotgun. And then check this out. This is such a gorgeous coach. People love to ride here and play games and cards. They've got drink holders and a TV, seat belts, so your whole family can come with you and be safe, but have a lot of fun at the same time. And this, of course, makes out into another bed. Now, you also have the drop-down bed above the cab. It doesn't look like a bed, but if you need one, boom, it comes down. You can sleep a few people there. You also have a jackknife right here, and a lot of people really like just hanging out like a day bed on this, reading a book, snuggling up together. It's just a fun little sofa. And then check out this kitchen. I think this is really neat. You have lots of storage, plenty of places to put things. And it's nice storage. You've got a beautiful sink. It's a split sink. It does have a sprayer. And I like the fact that it's got a kitchen window right here for that extra light. Got a really nice residential style convection microwave. This is something that I think is really cool. So you have the true induction, but you also have the benefits of gas. So if you like to use gas, especially if you're using a wok and things like that, where you really want that high temperature, you can have that with the gas, and you have the best of both worlds. And in the kitchen also, you have really convenient access to the fridge and freezer, just like you'd want it. And it's pretty close to the bedroom too, so if you want to grab something at night, you can. Check this out. Here's your bathroom. Really great counter space in here, and you've got plenty of room to do everything you need to do with a beautiful walk-in shower, lots of storage, fantastic fan. So check out this beautiful bedroom. It's a queen-size bed, plenty of storage, and you've got USB controllers. It does have a tilt-to-view bed incliner, so you can watch TV, and you definitely have a TV right here with a little vanity area, so if you want to put your makeup on or do whatever you want to do right in that area, it's kind of cool. And you've got plenty of extra storage drawers, as well as you've got this big closet right here. And what I think people really get excited about is this. You've got a slider door, and of course you have a privacy shade, and it also has a screen door. But this allows you to go out into your garage. Check this out. So these will come down and make extra bedding or seating with a table. And then you also have a big bed up here as well for the fam. And they have their own TV, sound system. It's even got an air conditioner for this back area, which I think is a great idea. And lots of places up here to put things that you might need, just to stick things up there out of the way where they're not going to fall. Things that maybe you don't use all the time, but you need to grab real quick. You've got a separate door that goes out of the garage area so people can come in and out. There's tie downs. We've got carpet down on the ground right now, but there's tie downs for all your toys if you want to bring quads, motorcycles, golf carts, a little sporty runabout, whatever it is that you want to put in here, you can put in here. And the back is a ramp that allows you to load everything, but then it comes up and it turns into a deck. If people, you know, most families have pets. We love our critters, right? The dogs love these. They can be out, they can be running around out back here, they can eat and have kind of that indoor-outdoor lifestyle. So it's a total family RV. This is really designed for everyone in the family to go and to do everything that you would want to do in this thing. It's so versatile. I think this thing is awesome. I bet you do too. And hey, what if you gave me a call and I made you a great deal on it and we got you camping this year? Because they're not getting less expensive year after year. We can make you a great deal on this one that's here right now. You guys could be camping for the next several years and you could build memories that'll last a lifetime. I'd love to help you do that. So give me a call on my personal cell phone. My name is Chris BISH'S and my number is 541-636-7878.